Welcome. In this video, we are going to show you the IMEI Repair and Patch Certificate procedures in our software, Chimera tool. As we can see, the first IMEI is damaged on our phone, so we will repair it. In Chimera, we need to click on the Repair tab, then on Repair, and enter the desired IMEI number. We will use the latest method to do it. The IMEI repair will start, and we need to click OK to continue. Now, we need to wait until Chimera repairs the IMEI number. As we can see, the IMEI repair was successful. And we will now do the Patch Certificate procedure. We need to click on the Repair tab, then Patch Certificate, and use the latest method. Now we need to wait until Chimera patches the certificate, and then we can check if it was done successfully. We will wait for the phone to boot up, and then check if the IMEI number was repaired. As you can see, it was done successfully.